So we're now inside our room here at Henan Lagoon Resort. By the way, ang pinag ko is a premier room and I booked this in Agoda because the rates in Agoda are more affordable. Plus, we have additional discount with my code OAW Agoda. So as we enter our room, on the right side is a toilet and bath. Napapakita ko sa inyo later. Check muna natin yung main bedroom. So, meron tayo ditong closet. Of course, you can hang your clothes here. And meron ding umbrellas if in case it rains. For your valuables, meron ding safety deposit box. And meron silang laundry services. I'm not just sure kung bakit walang laundry bag dito sa room natin. And may provided ding hotel sleepers. And there's a luggage rack. Pasensya na, marami tayong gamit dyan. And we have a full-length mirror. And our room comes with a king-size bed. And across the bed is a television with cable channels. So may complimentary coffee, tea, creamer, sugar, drinking glasses, and coffee cups. Meron tayo ditong electric kettle, and we also have a mini refrigerator. So if you're planning to bring work here at Henan Lagoon, there's the work area, and this can also serve as a vanity area. At isang gusto ko sa Henan Resorts, they're eco-friendly. So may provided na pitchel dito for your drinking water. And may mga water dispensers naman around the resort. And please do note that rooms here are non-smoking rooms. But don't worry, meron din namang mga designated smoking areas dito sa Lagoon. And by the way, they have a restaurant dito sa Henan Lagoon. And they also offer in-room dining. And speaking of dining, our room comes with a dinette set. And what I really like about Henan Lagoon, they provide 2 key cards. Yung isa for electricity, itong isa pwede niyong gamitin. So it means, paglalabas kayo ng room, hindi mamamatay yung kuryente, hindi mamamatay yung aircon. Okay, upon check-in, they'll also provide you a pool towel card. May mga towel stations dito, so pwede nyo itong papalit for actual pool towels or beach towels. And yung beach towel na yon, pwede nyo rin gamitin sa beach beds of Henan Regency. And of course, for me, one of the highlights of our room is the balcony. So our balcony comes with a coffee table set, and meron din tayong clothes drying rack. As what you can see, the balcony is very spacious. And for me, the highlight of staying here is that you get to have the beautiful view of the pool here at Henan Lagoon. Natuwa talaga ako dito sa Henan Lagoon. As what you can see, ang ganda ng pool nila and maliwalas dito. And for me, relaxing na rin yung view. Again, yung room po natin is a premier room. It's 45 square meters. So as what you can see, napakalawak ng room na to. At ngayon, check na po natin yung ensuite, toilet, and bath. Of course, this is a Henan Hotel, so kompleto na tayo sa toiletries. There's the shower area. Of course, may hot and cold shower. And may provided din a bath foam, shampoo, conditioner, and a bath soap. If you haven't stayed in any Henan hotel, pag premier room, laging merong bathtub. May glass dyan, kitang-kita yung room sa labas. But for your privacy, don't you worry, meron naman ditong blinds. Okay, we're done with the room tour. Actually, maaga ako nag-check-in kanina, kaya maaga rin tayo natapos sa room tour natin. By the way, ang check-in dito is at 3 p.m. Dumating ako dito sa Henan Lagoon around 1 p.m. since galing lang naman ako sa Henan Prime. And pagdating ko dito, I just presented my Agoda bookings and a valid ID. And by the way, meron palang security deposit dito sa Henan Lagoon na 2,000 every night. And yung bino ko actually dito is 2 nights. So, may security deposit ako na 4,000 pesos. But don't you worry, refundable naman yan upon checkout. Based on my experience kanina, the check-in was fast and seamless and very warm and accommodating yung reception nila dito. Actually, nagkamali pa nga ako sa booking ko. For my first night, ang nabook ko is this room, which is a premier room. Tapos yung nabook ko walang breakfast. And for my second night naman, ang nabook ko is a deluxe room, with a breakfast. However, mabait yung reception nila dito, si Ryan. He upgraded my second night for free. So, ito na yung room natin for 2 nights here at Henan Lagoon. And by the way, Henan Lagoon is technically located dito sa Station 2. And please note that this is not a beachfront hotel. However, walking distance lang naman to going to the beach. So, siguro later, labas tayo. Check natin kung gaano kalayo from here going to the White Beach. But for now, labas muna tayo. Sana konti yung tao sa mga amenities na dito so that I can tour you around Henan Lagoon. By the way, we're on the 4th floor. Yan yung room natin, room 423. And ito yung hallway sa likod ng rooms. Kung nakapag-Boracay na po kayo before and you know Talipapa, nasa likod lang ng Henan Lagoon yung di Talipapa. And dito din sa floor natin may designated smoking area. I guess, bawat floor dito may designated smoking area. So kaya pa tayo explore natin tong Henan Lagoon. So we're now at the common area dito sa 4th level. So may lounging area rin dyan. So I think bawat floor din may lounging areas tulad nito. As well as water refitting areas, bawat floor din I think meron. If you're a senior po or PWD with mobility concerns, don't you worry, meron po din po dito elevators. And we're now on the ground level. Very nice din dito sa Henan Lagoon. Parang Henan Garden din yung vibe. And maganda rin dito, pwede kayo magpa-massage by the pool. And we're now at the alfresco area of the restaurant. Nandito tayo sa other end of the pool. And as what you can see, sobrang laki ng pool dito sa Henan Lagoon. If you have kids, matutuwa rin sila dito. May areas ng pool na for kids. Sabi nung bellman kanina nag-assist sa akin, they have 2 pools here. So hanapin natin yung second pool. I guess ito yung way going to the second pool, the Lagoon Annex. So there's the elevator dito sa Lagoon Annex. Sana tama yung way na pinupuntahan natin. And we're now on the second pool. And they also have a lounge here which is open from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And just like Henan Crystal Sands, they also have amenity building here kung nasan yung gym. So may stairs lang konti going to the gym. And there's the reception area. And they also have a mini shop here where you can buy souvenirs, snacks. Okay, time check is 5 p.m. As what I've said, itong Henan Lagoon po is along the Boracay Main Road. So it's very convenient. However, this is not a beachfront hotel pero napakalapit lang din ito sa dagat. So ngayon, baba na tayo. Orasan po natin kung gaano katagal maglakad from here going to the White Beach. So we're now at the facade of Henan Lagoon. As what you can see, there's the main road. Time check, it's 5:12 p.m. Check natin kung gaano kalayo going to the beach. Lakad lang tayo. Actually, sabi ng bellman kanina, may dalawang daan going to the beach. Yung isa is Kinita, of course. Ayoko naman dun tayo dadaan. And ayoko rin dun po kayo dadaan. So, dito tayo dadaan sa mas maayos na lugar. So, once you reach yung kanto ng Azalea, magla-left lang po kayo. And while walking, madadaanan nyo yung Henan Garden Resort. Makapag-vlog na tayo niyan. And madadaan nyo rin dito yung Henan Regency. Napuntahan na rin natin yan. And Mandarin Bay Resorts and Spa. Vlog na rin tayo niyan. And from here, tanaw na natin yung dagat. So, napakalapit lang na walk from Henan Lagoon. And let's check the time.
Sir, magdampak po kayo, sir, seafood. Halika ba?
So it's 5:18 p.m. So 6-minute walk lang yung beach from Henan Lagoon. And actually, paglabas mo, nandito na rin yung beach beds of Henan Regency. So like I've said, if you're a guest of Henan Lagoon, pwede pa kayong gumamit ng beach beds of Henan Regency. Just make sure exchange nyo lang yung towel card to an actual beach towel. Then you can use the beach beds here. Actually, nagutom na tayo kaya mag-early dinner na tayo dito sa Jerry's here in Station 2. Okay, time check. It's 7 p.m. and we're back na dito sa room natin here at Henan Lagoon. And pakita ko lang yung room natin at night. Very cozy and very elegant. And syempre, pakita ko rin yung view natin from our room. Ang ganda rin ng pool dito sa Henan. Take 2 tayo, nag-moist yung camera natin. And look at the pool here at night. Ganda. Baba tayo ngayon. Pakita ko sa inyo yung paligid ng Henan Lagoon at night. And yan yung view natin from the 4th floor lobby. Maganda pa rin yung room natin, pinakamalapit sa elevator. Yung kung napansin, maganda rin pala yung stairs dito. Pero hindi tayo magsi-stairs. Nasa elevator na tayo ngayon. May mga nagpapamassage sa pool ng annex. Hindi tayo masyado nag-video. So hopefully, napakita ko kung gaano kaganda yung dalawang pools dito sa Henan Lagoon at night. And there's the reception at night. Good morning! Dito na natin dito sa Henan Lagoon. And pakita ko yung view natin sa labas. Nag-moist yung camera natin. Wipe muna natin. Yung camera kasi nagmo-moist po yan pag galing sa malamig, tas biglang init pag may change in temperature. Sana clear na yung camera natin. Yung room na nabook ko, walang breakfast for the first day. Yeah, hindi tayo magbo-buffet breakfast. There's the pool. And yung maraming tao dyan sa baba, that's the restaurant. So, yan yung buffet breakfast nila from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And since we're staying here for 2 nights, since wala naman tayong breakfast, mag-work na muna tayo and we'll allot today as a work day. Mag-edit tayo ng vlog natin of Henan Crystal Sands. So, mag-internet speed tayo. Mabilis yung internet nila dito is 52 Mbps. So, if you work remotely, pwede po kayo dito sa Henan Lagoon. It's our 3rd and last day here at Henan Lagoon. This time, meron na tayong buffet breakfast. Actually, 6 a.m. pa lang, mauuna tayo sa breakfast. Okay, kumuha tayo ng food. Buti maaga tayo kasi at 6 a.m. marami na ring tao dito sa buffet breakfast of Henan Lagoon. Napansin ko lang medyo maliit yung buffet area nila dito. Maliit yung restaurant compared to other Henans. And as for this food selection, I guess parang mas konti din. But I really like the setup here. We get to have breakfast by this beautiful pool. Tara, kain tayo. Tikman natin tong pansit. I'm sure masarap ang pansit ng Henan. Sarap ng pansit talaga ng Henan. Itong sausage na to, tikman ko nito sa ibang buffets ng Henan and masarap din to. Okay, andito tayo sa malungkot na part. Mag-check out na tayo dito sa Henan Lagoon. By the way, ang check-in dito is at 3 p.m. and check-out is 12 noon. And time check, it's 11 a.m. already. So, mag-quick review na tayo. By the way, itong Henan Lagoon is one of the more affordable Henans dito sa Boracay. However, please do note lang po yung mga rates ng hotels dito are dynamic. So, meaning pa iba-iba, depende on season and availability. And actually, it's peak season ngayon dito sa Boracay because it's summer. Kaya for me, medyo pricey ko rin nabook itong Henan Lagoon. But during off-peak season or lean season, ito yung isa sa mga affordable Henan resort dito sa Boracay. So mag-proceed na tayo sa review natin. First is the location. So itong Henan Lagoon is technically located dito sa Station 2. It's along Boracay Main Road. However, this is not beachfront, pero it's roughly 5 to 8 minute walk lang going to the White Beach. In my case, it took us 6 minutes papunta sa White Beach from here. And next is the room. So we stayed in their premier room. As expected from a Henan hotel, it's spotlessly neat and clean. And meron din tayong bathtub. And for me, ang highlight ng room natin is the balcony with the net set. And maganda lang mag-chill doon, tumambay na hindi ko nagawa unfortunately. By the way, Henan Lagoon opened in 2012, so medyo matagal na tong resort na to. However, they were able to maintain the entire resort. It's well kept, it's neat and clean. When I arrived here, I felt like the rooms are a bit dated, but it's well kept and well maintained. And for me, the room is actually elegant and classy, most especially at night. So if you're looking for a hotel with a modern vibe, this might not be for you. You should check out Henan Crystal Sands. It's a beachfront hotel in Station 1 or Henan Park, which is also along Boracay Main Road. And next is the service. So this is Henan. So as expected, they provide good customer service here. Mabait yung guards. Okay yung reception dito. Si Ryan. I was able to check in early. And mabait din yung mga staff dito, yung mga pool attendants. And most of the staff sa F&B, mabait din. As for the rates, unfortunately, I can't give you the exact rates. Dynamic po yung rates ng hotels dito sa Boracay. So, paiba-iba based on season and room availability. Itong room natin is a premier room and for me, medyo pricey pagkakabuko dito. It's roughly 5,800 pesos. But I'm sure mas mababa pa yung rate niyan during lean season or off-season. So, kung magbubuko itong room na to at around 5,000 pesos, is value for money and babalik ako dito. So, how to book? I booked my stay here in Agoda kasi mas mura yung rates in Agoda. Plus, may discount code pa po tayo na OAW Agoda which gives you up to 10% off on hotels. And if you're planning to book your transfers or planning nyo po mag-tour and do activities or even buy eSIMs, you can also do that in Agoda under activity section. Plus, may activities discount code din tayo which is OAW Activity. And by the way, apart from Agoda, you can also get huge discounts if you're a Klook user. Just simply visit oawtravel.com or scan the QR code here to go to my Klook Creator Shop. From there, you can redeem discount coupons and book your hotels and activities. And if you're flying from Clark to Boracay via Sunlight Air, we also have a discount code where you can get 10% off on your flights. That's OAW Sunlight 10.